Welcome back to Bike World, where we explore motorcycles that shape the world of two wheels. Today, we're diving into a true global icon, the 2026 Honda Super Cub. Known as the most produced motor vehicle in history, the Super Cub returns in 2026 with modern updates while staying true to its timeless character. This is not just a bike, it's a legacy that continues to evolve. A brief legacy of the Super Cub. The Honda Super Cub has been on road since 1958, earning trust from commuters, delivery riders, and everyday users across continents. Its reputation is built on simplicity, durability, and unmatched reliability. Over the decades, Honda has refined the Super Cub without compromising its original philosophy: easy to ride, easy to own, and built to last. The 2026 model proudly carries this heritage forward. Design philosophy: classic meets modern. The 2026 Honda Super Cub keeps its instantly recognizable step-through design, round headlamp, and flowing body panels. Honda has carefully refreshed the styling with sharper detailing, improved paint quality, and subtle chrome accents that give it a premium touch. The overall silhouette remains unchanged, which is exactly what fans love. It still looks friendly, practical, and timeless, yet polished enough for modern urban streets. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Super Cub is a refined fuel-injected single-cylinder engine designed for smooth and efficient performance. Honda focuses on reliability rather than raw power, making this engine ideal for city commuting and daily use. Power delivery is gentle and predictable, ensuring a stress-free ride for beginners and experienced riders alike. The semi-automatic transmission eliminates the need for a clutch, making riding effortless in traffic. Fuel efficiency and eco-friendly approach. One of the Super Cub's strongest advantages has always been fuel efficiency, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. Honda's advanced fuel injection system ensures excellent mileage while keeping emissions low. This makes the Super Cub an economical choice for daily riders and an environmentally responsible option in an era of rising fuel costs and stricter emission standards. Ride comfort and handling. The 2026 Honda Super Cub is designed for comfort and control. Its upright riding posture reduces fatigue, even during long city rides. The suspension setup is tuned for everyday roads, absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces with ease. Lightweight construction and balanced weight distribution make the Super Cub extremely easy to handle, especially in tight urban environments and crowded streets. Braking and safety features. Safety is another area where Honda has made thoughtful improvements. The 2026 Super Cub features an upgraded braking system with better stopping power and control. Depending on the market, Honda offers disc brakes at the front and optional ABS, enhancing rider confidence in wet or slippery conditions. These updates make the Super Cub safer while maintaining its user-friendly nature. Technology and instrumentation. While the Super Cub stays simple by design, the 2026 model includes modern touches where they matter. The instrument cluster combines classic styling with improved readability, offering clear information such as speed, fuel level, and indicators. LED lighting enhances visibility and efficiency while giving the bike a cleaner, more modern look without losing its retro charm. Practicality for daily use. The Super Cub has always been about practicality, and the 2026 version is no different. The step-through frame makes mounting and dismounting easy, especially in everyday clothing. The durable rear carrier is perfect for small cargo, groceries, or delivery use. Low maintenance requirements and Honda's legendary build quality make this bike ideal for riders who want hassle-free ownership. Who is the 2026 Super Cub for? The 2026 Honda Super Cub is perfect for a wide range of riders. Beginners will appreciate its easy pricing and market position. Honda positions the Super Cub as a premium commuter with global appeal. While pricing may vary by region, the 2026 model offers strong value when you consider its durability, fuel efficiency, and resale potential. It's not about flashy features, it's about long-term dependability and everyday usability. Final thoughts: a timeless icon continues. The 2026 Honda Super Cub proves that true legends don't need radical changes to stay relevant. By blending classic design, modern efficiency, and everyday practicality, Honda has once again delivered a motorcycle that fits perfectly into modern life. It remains simple, reliable, and charming, just as a Super Cub should be.